Hello, geometry students. This is a video of example 6 for our geometry topic for lesson 4. Determine congruent polygons. All sides and angles of A, B, C, D are congruent to the corresponding sides and angles of A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Is A, B, C, D congruent to A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime? Well, since it's all the angles and all the sides, the answer's yes. They give a little explanation of why. Because basically, you can cut the polygon into two triangles. And right here you have side angle side, and here you have side angle side. That matches up with those side angle sides. So you can prove the two triangles are congruent. Just to spare you some time, you can go to the website and look through their explanation if you would like. I'd rather use the time in the video to show you a couple of problems, or maybe just one. All right, one problem. We know it's given that quadrilateral ABCD is congruent to quadrilateral EFGH. So we know this is congruent to that. That means all the corresponding parts are congruent. What is the value of x? Well, I don't see an x here. I see 5, 6, 7, and 9. But over here, I have 2x minus 3. So I need to pair that up with whatever side it should be paired up with. And sometimes it's not as easy. I can see EH is the longest side, so it needs to be paired up with the 9 meter segment AD. But another way of doing it is looking at the order of the letters. EH. And if I come back here, these have to be written in the proper order. EH is the first letter and the last letter. So is A and D. So that's how come I know it's A and D. Anyways, I would write that algebra problem out. 2x minus 3 has to equal 9. Add 3 to both sides. 2x equals 12. Divide by 2, x must equal 6. And that's all they wanted us to find out was what the length is. I mean, what the value was of x. If they wanted to find the length, we'd plug a 6 in here. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9, which was a little silly because since we knew the two objects were congruent, it had to be 9. Oh well. This is the last example in the lesson, so let's go to the summary page. In this lesson, we learned about angle side angle and angle angle side. The problems you could do now are 18, 19, and 25. That's it for this video. Have a great day.